able to speak whole
ये
Krishna.
वस्तु क्या है? इस शरीर में जो लोटपोट हो जाते हैं, रचना से लोटपोट होता है। वैवर्ण शरीर के अंगताओं की कुछ एवं दूसरे रूप धारण करते हैं। जैसे भाव उत्पन्न होगा, शरीर के जो रंग विवर्ण होता है, पीलापन हो जाएंगे, लाल हो जाएंगे, और आंखों से
And the tears will come out from the body. Eyes.
और प्रलय
And the pralay means murcha. And the person will be fainted. Murcha. Stamba, Svet, Romancha, Sarvet, Vipratu, Vivarna, Ashru, Pralay. These all kinds of symptoms will be seen in the body.
ये जो आठ अस्थापित विकार निर्भर करता है, इसके हृदय में प्रेम उत्पन्न हो गया.
So in somebody's heart, now love is manifested in somebody's heart. So what are the symptoms?
How do you know
that prem has manifested in one's heart? How do you know that? How we will come to know? These all depends on the Ashta Sattvic Vikars. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, so when he took sannyas and he went to Jagannath Puri, so seeing the Jagannath, he was in the bhav, he came into the bhav after seeing the darshan of Jagannath ji.
After so long separation,
he was feeling so much separation. So that was the mood of Srimati Radhika, that she is meeting with Chaitanya. And the Mahaprabhu was thinking himself that I am Radha and I am feeling separation and would like to meet with my beloved Krishna. So this is called Sudhirna Vilapapashta. Then Priya Priyatam meet each other. So what kinds of feelings or what kinds of bhav happens? And this is called Sudhirga Vipralamba. Do you understand Vipralamba? Separation. Vira. For last so many days, one is thinking about his Priyatam, and suddenly his Priyatam appeared before him. So seeing that, so many kinds of feelings comes in the body. That is called just like somebody has lost his things and suddenly he got that. So what kind of pleasure he will get in his heart, nobody can explain. At that time in the heart he gets so much vikar, it's not able to describe. Just like we used to give an example, just somebody has only one son, one and only son, a widow has a one and only son, and he is just 10 years old around, and so he is the source or base of his life. Just like on the stick, just if a blind man's is his the base is his sticks. In this way, that widow has a base of his life, his just son. So one and only son has been died. A snake bite him and he is died. She was crying that now I don't have any base or in my life how to live. one and only, the base of my life, so it has been lost. Now what can I do? Then, then how she is crying. She she put her head on the wall, on the floor many times. She was crying, weeping so hard, and she is scolding to Vidhata, Bhagwan, that what have you done? What have you done? So at that time, one Sant Mahatma has came to him, and Mahatma told, seeing that widow lady crying, his heart was melted. That Sant Mahatma, his mantra, by the power of his mantra, he has alived his child, and the boy was alived. So seeing that son return back, so what that widow will do? So it feels like that somebody has lost his money or for so many days back, and now he has got back. So returning back of this money. So first is Anand Ashru. Ashru means after. So after the separation, one meet each other. So that is called the meeting. That is Viraha Ananda. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when so he is thinking himself that I am Radha, and after so long I am meeting to my Prankanta Govinda. That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what is saying, when he was seeing Jagannath Prabhu and thinking Jagannath Prabhu that he is Govinda or Nandanandan, he is going to hug. He is going to hug Jagannath, and the tears is coming out from the eyes. And at the same time, what is happening? So there are the sevaks of the Pujari of the Jagannath ji. They stopped the Mahaprabhu. They didn't allow him to go. At that time, what Mahaprabhu did? He fell down and he was fainted on the ground, and all the bodies. So all the Ashtasastra Vigar was seen in the bodies of Mahaprabhu at that time. What is that? Stamba, Save, Stamba, Svait, Romancha, Harved, Vipathu, Vavarna, Ashru. Now you can hear me? Can you hear me now? Huh? No? Now? Huh? And the Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya came. And the Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, the Pujari of Jagannath ji came, and he seeing Mahaprabhu and thought, and where is this mantle is coming from? Where is this mantle is coming from? Oh, and he directly would like to, and he is directly entering in the temple of Jagannath. That's why he was so much afraid, and they took the stake and wanted to beat Mahaprabhu. And at that time Mahaprabhu got fainted on the ground. At that time Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he wanted to visit the darshan of Mahaprabhu, Jagannath ji, and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya stopped the Pujari, don't beat him. So Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya took the darshan of Mahaprabhu first time. First is Tapta Kanchan Gaurangi Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. He was just like looking a golden mountain. The beautiful form, the beautiful complexion he has, Tapta Kanchan, the golden complexion he has that time. And moreover he has the sannyas ways and beautiful complexion and sannyas dress, lotus eyes, big lotus eyes. and long hand, long feet. Whole body was too long. First he has the beautiful complexion, Deha Khandis, and the second is, and all the vikars, Ashtashat vikar in the bodies of Mahaprabhu's body was manifested that time. So Sarvam Bhattacharya said that I have just read in the Shastra, it is written in the Shastras that if somebody has the prem in his heart, he got this kind of Ashtasattvik vikar. But at the same time, so at the same time, all these I am seeing first time. It's not enough. Na bhuto na bhavishyati. So he thinks that he must be the Mahaprabhu. So Mahaprabhu, he must be a great man, but he was not thinking that he is Bhagwan himself. So maybe he is coming from the Swarga. Our Devta has got the form of man, and he is he. He was not thinking that he is Bhagwan. But I am not seeing this kind of person anymore in my life. All the Manushya has just 3.5 of his hand, the measurement of. Are you getting this? And Mahaprabhu was in his hand 4 hand. He was 4 hand long of his body. So that's why an incredible Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was. He had 32 types. He had 32 types of signs. It's completely established in the body of Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu has 32 types of signs, and all the 32 kinds of symptoms, signs was presented in the body of Mahaprabhu. That's why if somebody has this kinds of symptoms, but 32, he has 32 completely the signs in his body. In the Chaitanya Bhagavat or Chaitanya it is described that Mahaprabhu, though Mahapurush 32, he must have 32 symptoms or signs, and Mahaprabhu has the same both. Sometimes he saying Lakshan means symptoms, signs means signs. So he is all the 32 symptoms, or 32 symptoms in his body. सिम्टम्स गुरुदेव या लक्षण, मतलब वो साइंस चिन्ह या से अच्छा
जैसे हाथ लंबी हो आजान लंबी के बाद ये हाथ कहां तक चले जाएंगे अंडर द नी।
अच्छा
आप देखो खड़े होकर के तुम्हारे हाथ घुटनों तक जाते कि नहीं जाते?
देखो
जाता है सीधी हो घुटनों कहाँ है? ये है जरा घुटने हाथ लगता है?
नहीं लगता, ऐसा कर रहा है,
नहीं लगता, इधर दूर रह गया,
थोड़ा दूर रह गया। So ये symptoms है ना, ये तो symptoms. These all are the 32 symptoms. Yes. And the eyes will be so long, so big eyes, very big eyes from here to Kantak. So the eyes will come from eyes to ear.
और आंख का थोड़ा जो उभरे हुआ होता है, उभरा हुआ डबडबा आंख का होता है।
डबडबा
ने आंख जब उभरा हुआ होता है,
eyes will be उभरा हुआ, डबडबा,
और इसमें भ्रू
like too big. हाँ, your forehead will be so broad, and the straight nose, and the cheeks will be like apple. लाल की सेब की तरह लाल, very reddish cheeks. The lips will be beautiful lips, juicy lips. Lips will be so red.
दो चार एक दो सिम्टम्स में मिल जाए
And so if we see the 2-3 symptoms in somebody's body, so we think that he is Mahaprabhu. But Mahaprabhu had 32 types of symptoms in his body. So that's why at the same time.
हम तो कह रहे हैं ये महापुरुष है महापुरुष है
Sometimes we used to say he is Mahapurush, he is a great man.
स्वीकार कर लीजिए
We accept him, he is a Mahaprabhu. But Mahaprabhu had had 32 kinds of symptoms at the same time, completely. That's why Mahaprabhu had this all kinds of symptoms complete in his body at the same time. It's not ordinary. It's not simple. And then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya saw. That's why Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is saying, I have read in the scriptures, but I haven't seen this kinds of anybody like this in my whole life. In my whole life, I will not meet with this kinds of Mahapurush, which is described in the scriptures. I have read in the scriptures, but he has the 32 types of symptoms at the same time. So it's not possible. So you cannot find other than without Mahaprabhu. So the katha we were hearing about, we were describing. If somebody has the prem, so he will then. So how we can understand that he has a prem? These kinds of symptoms, Ashtasattvic Vikar will be happen in the body when somebody has the symptoms of the prem, love. Sometimes is externally, sometimes some symptoms are internally, some symptoms are externally. So we decided by the symptoms of internally and externally that he is getting Ashtasattvic Vikar. So yesterday we were hearing about one is Dhrumayini, Jadit, Dipta, Udipta or Sudipta. So this kinds of sthiti of Mahabhat, Dhrumayit, Jadit, Dipta, Udipta, Sudipta, Sudipta Mahabhat. Yesterday I was reading. So step by step the prem will be manifested. So all these kinds of bhav will be manifested in the heart. That's why it is saying. Dhrumite. What is Dhrumite? The smoke will come out. Dhrumite means smog. Dhrumite, dhuma, smoke. What is the meaning? Just like first, koila, coil. When you put fire on the coil, so there is a smoke will come out. Coal. Smoke will come out. What's the mean? If somebody has developed the prem in his heart, so you can see one or two symptoms. So you can see one or two symptoms in his body, but it's not necessary that it will be serial wife, and that will be temporary. That is called Dhrumite. Jadit, just like when you put fire on the coil, so there is so after that what happen after smoke, the flames of the fire will come. Flames of the fire will come up when after smoke. That is called Jalit, because it is burning. So in that Ashtasattvic Vikar, you will find out 2 or 3 symptoms. That is called Dhrumayit, Deepta. Just like there is no fire, but the coil become red, and all around there are reflection of radiance, reddish everywhere. There must be too much heat. So in that kinds 3 and 4 symptoms will be there. This is called Dhrumai Jarit Deepta.
उद्दीप्त
Udipta,
है, उसमें फेम और रेडियंस और भी चाहिए होता है। नाम और भी बढ़ता है।
then heat will increase and then Udipta Bhava. When Udipta will come, then all kinds, many fire will, heat will be there. That is called 3 and 4 and 5 symptoms. ये भगवान कौन से symptoms हैं ये?
सुदीप्त महाभाव
And Sadipt Mahavav is
है, उसमें एक ही साथ में
in that one time
है, 8 जो है
all 8 symptoms will be there.
ये सुदीप्त महाभाव के ऊपर
What is
महापुरुष
so
और श्रीमती राधिका जी।
Sudeep Mahavav only can see in the body of Mahaprabhu or Srimati Radhika. It is not possible in other bodies.
चंद्रावली आदि शरीर में भी संभव है।
Chandra, even Chandravali and
ललिता विशाखा आदि में भी संभव है।
Chandravali, Lalita, Vishaka is not possible for them. Only Srimati Radhika or Mahaprabhu. None other can have these kinds of symptoms at the same times. So first we have seen the Srimati Radhika Rani and second now Mahaprabhu.
चलिए इस कथा को हम कल
So now we were hearing this katha yesterday.
विषयात्मा प्रेम सुचन प्रभाव रुचि चित्त मानसिक नक्कीदसु भाव
So we were hearing this katha yesterday.
बार-बार आलोचना करने से याद रहेगा।
Yes. Again and again if you discuss, so you will remember, otherwise you will forget everything.
भाव का स्वाभाविक कार्य
So
स्वरूप तथा कृष्ण विभाग के स्वरूप को प्रकाश करना है। उत्पत्ति भेद से भाव दो प्रकार होता है, एक साधन और भी विशुद्ध भाव और कृष्ण भक्त की कृपा यानी का प्रसाद जो भाव का सर्व रूप में आप एक होता है।
So if you simply word we say that why the performing sadhan,
और विवेक के द्वारा और दूसरी क्या
and the
है?
second is
कृपा शब्द, जिसको प्रसाद
by the mercy. This is called the prasadij. Yes,
भगवत प्रसाद
Bhagavad Prasad.
कृपा से
Bhagavad Prasad or by the mercy of bhaktas,
है, भक्त प्रसाद
Bhakta Prasadi,
साधु प्रसाद।
called the Prasad. Yes.
कभी शुद्ध भक्त के संस्था रहने पर जो अपराध नहीं है,
Yes. Sometimes in the association of Shuddha Bhakta, so sometimes what happen if you are associating with the pure devotee, so the symptoms will be
जैसे किसके इन्फ्लुएंजा हो गया ठीक है,
so somebody is suffering like it's just like a what we sangramak, what we say, or Premanande Hari Hari. Association of pure devotees, so the symptoms or the qualities of that pure devotee will be transferred into the non-devotee.
और दूसरे व्यक्ति अपने आप को संक्रामित हो जाता है।
संक्रामित ट्रांसफर क्या बोले, रिफ्लेक्टेड। हाँ
किसी को सर्दी जुकाम हुआ, उसके पास थोड़ा समय बैठो,
हाँ,
देखो आपका भी संक्रामित हो।
बट रिफ्लेक्शन तो थोड़े समय के लिए होता है, उसमें वो गुण मैनिफेस्ट नहीं होंगे ना। जैसे रिफ्लेक्शन होता है जस्ट लाइक कि वो उसमें दिखा, लेकिन उसके बाद अगर वो प्योर डिवोटी चला गया तो रिफ्लेक्शन वो चला गया, वो मैनिफेस्ट।
होता है कि जगत में जड़ जो रोग है उसमें चला जाता है, वो कीटाणु उसमें प्रवेश कर जाता है। इस जगत में इसके
देयर मस्ट बी अनदर वर्ड।
प्रवेश कर जाता है, इसलिए उसके वो उसमें हो जाता है। किंतु भाव जो है
बट
कुछ समय के लिए उसमें रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाता है, जिससे चित्त निर्मल हो और अपराध नहीं रहे।
if his heart is pure and he is without offense, then the quality of that pure devotee will be transferred, because you cannot understand by the example of transcendental and jad udharan, the jad examples. You can understand, you cannot understand but both at the same time. So you can understand only this when if somebody is suffering from a epidemic like influenza, cold, or just like corona. So what happened? So it will be transferred to another one's body to another body. So by the association that you will get that's the symptoms in your body too. So here it is Guru explaining the same, like so it's I'm giving you example, a simple way. When a speaker is speaking a katha of separation,
आप
सुनते हो,
So you are hearing that.
यदि उस कथा में आपको तन्मयता आई
So if you are
तो
getting
आप भी रोते रहो।
if you are getting a little bit taste in that katha, so you will cry also.
क्यों?
Why?
वक्ता भी रो रहे हैं,
Because
श्रोता भी रो रहे हैं।
the speaker is also crying and the listeners is also crying.
क्यों रोते क्यों?
Why they are crying?
इसलिए रोते हैं
Because
इस कथा की न तमें मम्मी थी,
hmm,
कथा तुम्हारा नहीं,
this is not your katha, this is my katha.
कथा कभी कभी होता है
Sometimes it happens that
जो वक्ता
that the
ऐसे
speaker
भाव प्रकट करते कथा
is explaining many kinds of bhava that all the listeners who are listening, they think that it's not his katha, it is the my life story. It is describing my life stories.
है, तमें थी,
Tameti,
तुम्हारा नहीं,
mameti. It's not tameti, it's mameti. It's not yours, it's mine too.
है, ऐसे लगेगा।
That's why he feels this
जब
kinds of.
मेरा ही जीवन की इतिहास हो जाता है
So when it becomes,
तो उसमें तदात्म होकर के रोते हैं। अगला कभी कभी समझ में नहीं आने पर भी वो एक कल्पना कर लेते हैं
so sometimes they assume like that it is
और कल्पना करके रोते हैं।
after getting this imagine they all crying.
समझ में आया?
What he said, did you? Sometimes it happens the speaker is,
समझ में नहीं आया।
we are not able to understand that why this katha is
उस कथा
and
को
what is the reason.
अपने ऊपर वो लागू कर
They apply that katha for himself and they imagine that it is my katha, and after imagining they cry, just like I'm giving you example. There was a old lady,
है? और उनके पास एक
she had
है, बकरी था।
a goat,
क्या था?
bakri.
है? तो उस बकरी क्या हुआ?
So-
2-4 दिन हो गया, उसकी बकरी खो गया।
So what happened that after 3-4 days that goat has, it has been 3-4 days that goat has lost. So now nobody has who has eaten loin or somebody, he was not aware.
वो बुरी
So
क्या
what
हुई?
happened?
एक दिन मंदिर में आए
One day that old lady went to temple because she was so much sorrow, she was so sad, so she went to temple and listening Harikatha there.
उस
So what happened?
कथा में जो जो संत महात्मा कथा
So at the time the Mahatma the Sant was speaking the katha,
कथा बहुत सुंदर
so
होता
it was beautifully katha he was spoken.
सब लोग
Everybody
रोना
all started crying.
विरह की कथा
It was a katha of separation, and that old lady also crying.
है। कथा जो समाप्त हो गया,
When the katha end up and everybody has gone,
संत महात्मा बुढ़िया के बुलाया,
so the Sant Mahatma called the old lady. Oh, tell me one thing. Why are you crying? What you have heard? What you understand?
बुढ़िया कहीं बड़ी
That old lady said, "Oh look, Mahatma ji, I didn't understand even a single word of your katha, and I didn't heard even a single word. Or if somebody listen, then he can understand. I didn't heard you."
तो संत महात्मा
So Sant Mahatma said, "If you didn't heard my katha, then why are you crying?"
क्यों रो रहे? बोले महाराज
So she said, "Listen to me.
3-4 दिन हो गया,
I 3-4 days has long, so my goat was lost. So the goat has beard like you. So when you were moving your face like here and there, so that's why I was remembering my goat. That's why I was crying.
क्या करता था? मैं जहाँ पर बैठती थी,
So whenever I used to sit,
दो टांग को हमारे
that God put their both legs on my shoulders, and she was moving her hand like this. So I was just remembering the same image. So seeing your beard, I was remembering my God, and that's why I was crying.
देखो कभी भी कथा
So sometimes it happens. Many people used to cry in the katha. Then why are you crying? If you ask them, then why are you crying? What the context do you know? That what was the person you were hurt? So he said, no, that is the reason. That's why I was crying.
रोने से जब प्रेम हो जाता है,
So-
रोने से जो हो जाता है, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं।
So by after crying that you can develop, then the love has been manifested in your heart. It is not possible. It's not the symptoms. Sometimes there is no love. There is no love. Like so, hearing the katha, what happens? This is not tameti. It is mameti. It's my katha. It's not yours. It's mine katha. Have you seen that in the world? There are many people are calling each other, fighting each other in the home. At everybody's home is happening the same thing.
संसार में कोई मरता नहीं है,
So who doesn't die in the material world? Everybody dies. So hearing the kathas,
कथा को
people
सुन करके सोचता है कि
people thinks that it's not the other's katha, it's my katha.
इसलिए कहते हैं,
That's why
नाट्य शास्त्र में इसी कहा
It is called the Nasti Shastra. It is called Tadatma.
तदात्मता
Tadatmata.
तदात्मता
So they relate it to their self. It's not Tameti. It's Mameviti.
ये मेरा
It's Mameti. It's mine.
है
Tameti. Mameti.
ये तमेती और ममेती लेकर के आता
So
है।
that's
तुम्हारा नहीं, ये
हाँ.
हमारा
So
संत महात्मा
So they don't think that you are not speaking your katha. So they came to know that the Sant Mahatma is known in our heart and he is speaking my katha. So that is why it is Mameti. It's not Tameti.
हाँ, आता है कि नहीं आता
Huh? Sometimes you cried or not? You cried or not?
है? और संत महात्मा आकर के वही कथा सुनाने
Huh? And somebody has fight at the home and he came into the katha and he was saying the same katha. So what you will think that oh it's my katha.
है? पत्नी आकर के घर में झाड़ू
Just suppose
देती है, काम करता है,
that wife is not sweeping. That wife is not sweeping at the home. Where is sweeping? She is beating that broomstick with her husband on the back.
है? और संत महात्मा से करने की कोशिश में लगे, संत महात्मा
And Sant Mahatma was saying the same katha, and she was hearing katha. Oh, it's my katha.
और दूसरी के
It's not Tameti. It's Nameti.
है? तब वो रोते हैं, तब उस लोग में तदात्मा होता है।
So when they crying, they feels the same story. That it's mine story.
आसमान पे, इसमें किस्मत तो है।
So this is all this. This is all just now.
तो प्रेम
Let's
जब
move
उत्पन्न
to
होता
the
है,
katha.
तो
Now, when the love develops in your heart, so this kinds of symptoms seems in the body. Romanchakam, Pashru, and many more symptoms are there. Chandra, Pandra, Ruchi, Asakti, Gunarukhan, transmission. Transmission, ठीक बटे transmission. ट्रांसमिशन जैसे वो सिम्टम्स एक से दूसरे हार्ट में मैनिफेस्ट होते हैं ना प्योर डिविडीज से एसोसिएशन से ट्रांसमिशन ओके
प्रेम उत्पन्न होना बहुत कठिन है।
यस इट्स रियली हार्ड टू डेवलप द लव
भाव आ जाए,
प्रेम इज सो फार इफ यू गेट द भार if you get the sadak bhav so he will leave the body he maybe he can reach to the rati but bhav if you get the bhav he will not live so long and at the top stage of prem what to say still we are describing or the nitya siddha parikar golok vrindavan ham basi the nitya parikar they can only tolerate in the appeared the prakat leela of Krishna in the parikar of nitya leela this all kinds of symptoms was seen. So somebody will say that he is developing love, why he is crying? Yeah, it's not possible. When somebody develops love, so he will leave the body. He will not live so more. So if somebody's heart is developed the love, so this kinds of symptoms will be manifested in the heart. It is showing by the shastras or explaining by the shastras. It's not easy to develop the prem in this body. You cannot tolerate or so long. If somebody has developed the love, so he has to left his body. That's why if you want to develop the love, then you have to
ये भावों की जो है कैसे होता है दो प्रकार के एक साधन वो भी निवेश
so bhav there are two kinds of sadhan avineshvaja or by the mercy
वो भी निवेश
sadhan avineshvaja.
जब ऐसे अभी छोटे
So when he observed his mind in the sadhan engages in the sadhan, so in that times he got this kinds of symptoms. It's manifest in the sadhan. And another is by the kripa, by the mercy of the Bhagwan Bhakta, it is possible. Just like Narad,
कथा प्रसंग आ रहे महाप्रभु
especially Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was distributing the love by the Harinam Sankirtan in the South Indian, when he went to in the forest, and what happened in the way, all the animals and everybody were dancing with the love. So Mahaprabhu did it. Sukdev Goswami Pad, when he was in the bomb of mother and he took the word, so when he was going to the forest, Sukdev Goswami Pad, so seeing the Sukdev Goswami Pad, all has developed the prem in their heart. Sud Goswami Pad is describing there.
जल पर
Manasmin. Sud Goswami Pad is saying, Hey Shonakadi Rishi, listen. Chan Pranjo Vadivit Kuttam, Daipayan Bra Katar, I say. Wow, Haribon, very nice.
बोले सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद के दर्शन करते ही
So, getting darshan of Sukh Goswami Pad, all the pleasures, they got the love. When the love has manifested in the heart. So the trees, you know, the tears was coming out from the trees. Oh my God! All the birds and animals were stunned when they took the darshan of Sukdev Goswami. They got stunned. It is described in the Bhagavad. Tikakar log, the Sukdev Goswami Pad is not ordinary. He is Uttam Bhagavad. So that's why Romancha Kampashru was manifested in the hearts of the person who was seeing them. This is all described there very nicely.
यहाँ पर भी कृष्ण भक्त प्रसाद जो भाव प्राप्ति जैसे
So by the mercy of Narad, Prahlad, Dhruv, he got this kinds of bhav. So by the mercy of Rupa Goswami and Rupa Sanatana Goswami, many kinds of bhav manifested in the other heart of the devotees. Just like I told you, Abhiram Thakur. So he had a chabuk. Chabuk means swift. So when he was touched anybody's bodies, so love all developed in the bodies of that person. Abhiram Thakur. So this kinds of Udipya Bhagavad, Uttam Mahabhagavad. When he was in the Srimad Bhagavatam, Sanatana Goswami is explaining the Bhagavatam. When Gopakumar disciples, Mathur Brahman, yes, when he touched the hand of his forehead, and then he has manifested the love in their heart, in this body, yes. Hari Hari Kavi. So there is no need for sadhan in that stage. Without, just because of mercy, anything is possible. Now there is a question arise. So if that, why should we do sadhan if we can find out this person Uttam Mahabhagavat who can mercy upon us? Why we are? What is the need of performing sadhan? साधन करने की मतलब if you are searching that so you can search of that person, that Siddha Mahatma will give you the darshan when your Saubhagya will be manifested. Matlab fortune. When at the time of liberation from this world, then Bhagwan will give mercy and he will send this kind of Santa Mahatma towards you. So then that will be a sanyog. What we say, sanyog, that circumstances will come like that, that person will come to you and he will mercy upon you. So that's why perform in bhajan sadhan, so you can get this mercy by the sadhan. That's why there is a need of work doing sadhan. It's not possible without sadhan. Sadhan vina sadhya vastu prapti ko vinay sharanardi kirti ne kirte uday. Mahaprabhu is saying himself. Everybody has to perform sadhan. No, Gurudev, put your hand on my head, so I will get everything. Gurudev, okay, come, tabla bajata hu. I am playing the mridang. Come. He used to touch his. That's why I used to. I am just playing a mridang. Ta 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 ta. But actually, what happens? So when internally he will put the hand on your head, it's not by forcefully. Internally the feelings will come for the dead session that I have to put this hand on my this disciple who is translating. Then then sometimes question arises that why he is not putting hand on my head? Why? What is the reason? Because he is not putting the hand because Bhakta Kripa Anugamini. So the Bhakta Kripa is under the guidance of Bhagwan, or Bhagwan's Kripa is Anugami of Bhakta. So whenever devotee do the mercy, so it's according to the wish of Bhagwan, and Bhagwan will mercy upon someone by the wish of devotee, by the wish of Bhakta. So if Bhagwan desires, then he will put his hand internally by his desire, then he will give the mercy to the devotee, and bus if or Bhagwan also give the mercy by the desire of the devotee. So what to do? That's why we should always perform the sadhan. So you have to perform bhajan, sadhan. No, Gurudev, please put your hand on my head. No. All my anarth will be destroyed. Anarth. And our anarth will be destroyed and I get the love. Are Guru used to say, oh, perform bhajan sadhan. I will mercy. But first you desire, chesta. Without performing bhajan, it's not possible. So without performing bhajan, you cannot gain the Nand Lala, Govinda. Nand Lala, oh Nand Lala. So here that's why. So bhav. There are 3 internal symptoms we yesterday talked about. Yes. What was that? 3 internal symptoms. You told Lalsa, Bhagavad Prapti Lalsa, Bhagavad Prapti Avilasha, Anukulya Avilasha, and the Sohard Sohard. So you must have the Swadha Vilasha means you must have the friendship nature with Nitya Parikar of Krishna. So the feelings you would like to, the bhav you would like to get in your heart. So you must have the friendship nature with that person. That is not the enemy bhav. So here the bhav, that is called, just like Lalita Vishaka, if you want to get the association of that, get that kind of bhav. So like Rupa Manjari. So under the guidance of Rupa Manjari, so if you want to serve the Srimati Radhika, you have to Rupa Manjari, sir. So you have to develop the friendship nature with Rupa Manjari. Yes, you got to know or not? Just like our Raghunath Goswami, what he was doing. Hey Goswami, please have mercy upon us. Please, and Rupa Manjari, please mercy upon me so that I can get the Dasi Padva of Srimati Radhika Rani. He was praying. Shri Rupa Manjari Karachit Pada Pada Bhaja Sasti Adi Kako Vargati Adi Bacha Ya Chinna Patte Pupatte Dande Badi Dande Patte Buri Dande Patte Yes Prasada. What's wrong with you? So hey, please, hey Vedhi, please note down my name, Anadi Govindas, in your register, so that one day I will come
क्या कर लो?
registered कर लो please, just like we are registering our name in the school. That's why we are praying ha devi kaku bhare, please hey devi, hey Shrimati Radharani, please mention the name Anadi Govind Das in your register. हा देवी काकू भर कर या चिन्हपत्ति पुपति से प्रसादा चनस्य कृत वैदेही हे रूप गोस्वामी पाद is praying, हे गंधर्वे की श्रीमती राधिके, in your garna please register my name, please and Raghunath Das Goswami is saying, hey Rupa Manjari, so you are serving Shrimati Radhika Rani, so can I get this fortune to serve Shrimati Radhika Rani? So these all are the bhavs. And Raghunath Das Goswami is saying more. What is he saying? In the high stage of love you happen that you must be very humble. And he is praying very humbly, hey Rupa Manjari, it's not possible for the getting mercy of Shrimati Radhika Rani. I didn't any sadhan bhajan, I didn't anything in my life. That's why Radhaji's Kripa Kataksha, the sidelong glance of Shrimati Radhika, so she will mercy upon me, it's not possible. That's why hey Rupa Manjari, just from my side you pray to Radharani from my side, then she will accept me as her maid servant. If she is not accepting me, I just want to say one thing only, Evameva Sanskriti, in this Radha Kund I got the Sadgati. I will just end up, so I will left my body at the Radha Kunda. This is pray only, hey Prabhu, कैसे प्रार्थना करूं? Evameva Sanskriti, I just end up my body on this Radha Kund. It's not possible for me this world that I will get the mercy of Radhika Rani. Hey Rupa Manjari, you are the Nijgan of Shrimati Radhika, especially you are Dasi. So please, only pray for Radharani from my side, that I will end up my body at the Radha Kunda. I will take the last breath of my life in this Radha Kunda. Nothing else I want. What's the meaning to say? Raghunath Das is praying very humbly there. So Radha Kund is the manifestation of Shrimati Radhika Rani herself. So what kind of feeling you will have in your heart, and you left your body in the same, so you will get the same body in your next birth. So that's why I am getting this kinds of feeling of bhav in my heart. Maybe it's possible. So next time I will get the birth in the Raja Kund in the Braj. Nothing else I want. This kinds of bhavna in their heart. Aha. So Sohard Bhav. So we must have the Sohard Bhav, the Nij God of, so whom under the guidance of we have to serve. Just like if we want to serve under the guidance of Rupa Manjari, so we must have the friendship behavior with Rupa Manjari. That is called Sohard Bhav. If she is saying yes, so then yes. If she is saying no, then no. Then you will develop the Suhrid Bhav. It's not possible for the enmity Bhav. It's not possible by that. Suhrid Bhav, the Mitra Bhav, the friendship behavior, friendship nature. So it's possible only then. I think Guru is going. So this all guys. Abhilasha, Bhagavad Prapti Abhilasha, Anukulya Abhilasha, or Swahartha Abhilasha. This is all internal symptoms. This is Anukul for the Seva. So whatever the favorable for bhajan, so you must adopt that. Beautiful kathas are there. I think Guru is saying
राधा जी भी कृष्ण के लिए कि कैसे प्राप्ति के लिए चौर करिए बड़ी बस ये बड़ी
Radha ji is also
उन्होंने भी कार्य दिया है ये कृष्ण विरह का समूह नहीं हुआ
Hey Krishna, I'm not, Radha ji is saying herself that I cannot tolerate the separation of yours.
किंतु कृष्ण
Hey Krishna,
प्रेम धन इसको मैं किसको देकर दूंगा ये मरी बस मरियो निश्चय मरियो आनंद गुणनिधि कार्य दिया है मरिया होइबा आनंद क्या बोले
Maria Haiba,
मरिले
Marile, Radha ji is saying, when I left my body,
मेरे शरीर को कहाँ ट्रांसफर करा
when you have to hang up my body at the tree of Tamal Vraksha, Tamal tree. Oh my God, Krishna ko. Oh, she is Lalita ji is saying to Lalita Sakhi. Mari Vasakira Nishya Mariva. Radha ji is saying,
कृष्ण विरह का सहन नहीं हो
I cannot tolerate the separation of Krishna, and Krishna is not returning back. So this is the description. Radha is saying to Lalita Sakhi when Krishna went to Vrindavan, so Mathura from Vrindavan. So that's why she is waiting for Krishna, but she is now saying to Lalita Sakhi, hey Lalita Sakhi, Krishna won't come back. So what you have to do when I end up my body, so you will hang my body on this tamal tree. Radha is saying this conversation was going on with Lalita Sakhi. Hey Sakhi, do one thing.
मैं मर जाने के बाद
When I will left my body, so you have to hang up my body to Tamal tree in the Seva Kunja
तमाल
at the top of the Tamal Vraksha, Tamal tree. Then Sakhi is saying, hey Sakhi, the Lalita Sakhis are saying there, hey Sakhi,
वृंदावन में इतने वृक्ष है
there are many kinds of Vraksha trees are in the Vrindavan. Why you have chosen Tamal tree? Why you have so much affection or attachment towards Tamal tree? So she said that Tamal is black and the Krishna is also black.
तमाल वृक्ष के साथ कृष्ण वृक्ष के रंग के साथ साजिश है
Because there is a similarity between Tamal's rang, Tamal's color and the Krishna color. They both are black. Aha, beautiful, very nice. Yamuna Jalagai.
देखो काला होने से जो बेकार नहीं जमुना जल कालो सर्वल के का जमुना की जल कैसे
So the Jamuna's water is just like a Krishna color, Krishna Varna.
देखो
Still,
कहीं भी व्यक्ति जाए
no, everybody who goes to Vrindavan,
जमुना की जल
they will take the water of Yamuna, yes, for sure. They'll do the Achman, they will take the bath. So that's why the Krishna's color and Yamuna's color is same.
और
And then
आकाश में जो बादल
in the sky, when the clouds come, it was going to rain. So what kind of color of that clouds is black.
इन कोई बादल जो अपने
नहीं।
पास होते हैं गर्मी के साथ देखो काफी तो जीवन है जुड़ा
And that clouds when rain,
गर्मी के
so what happens at the time of hot, so they give the cold pleasure. Pray. And so when it was raining the hot time, so what people used to do, that they take the bath in the rain.
इसमें राधा की काल
That's why Radha ji is saying.
मैं मर जाने के बाद मेरे
So after when I died, when I left my body, you have to hang up my body on Tamal Krishna, because Tamal Krishna is similar to Krishna. I'm telling the truth. I'm not telling lie. There are 64 kinds of qualities of Krishna. So there is one is them Satyavak. He always speaks the truth. Satyavak. He speaks the truth always.
वो इतने लोग तो क्या है
He will come back for sure. Sakhi is saying to Radhika ji, he will come back.
मेरे विश्वास है
And I believe
ये कृष्ण
that Krishna will come back,
मेरे शरीर पर
and on my dead body
भक्त रूपी संजीवनी को रखेंगे
he will put his hand, he will put his hand Sanjeevani, and I will be get alive.
संजीवनी बुद्धि
Krishna's hand is just like walking a Sanjeevani Bhuti. You know Sanjeevani Bhuti?
संजीवनी जानते हो? एक प्रकार
When Hanumanji bring the Sanjeevani Bhuti for,
है जोड़ी बुद्धि का हाँ? आप बाजार से आपको मिलेगा ये
so you won't find in the market if you want this.
पत्नी वाला बोलो संजीवनी आपको
Oh, you can easily find into the market Sanjeevani booty. It's just like milk, all it dry. When you put in the water, whole night you will green. So, okay, it is just like a dry. Or when you put into the water whole night, then on the morning it will become green. Have you seen it? Not? No, I haven't. I haven't seen it. If you ask for 5 rupees, give me 5 rupees Sanjeevani. अरे भैया they used to take that. It's not translatable. She's saying translate. She's saying translate. Okay, somebody is suffering from the men's problem. So what he has to do, he has to go to the market and buy this, medicine. And what he has to do, he has to put the whole night in the water and then make a paste in the morning. And then he used to take it. Then all the weakness of the body will go out. Okay? I will explain you. You don't ask me later. Krishna will come back, and he will put his hand on my dead body, and I will be alive. Very nicely it is described. It is a Kirtan of Chandidas. And the Rajaji got fainted. And after some time, Rajaji is saying, चलो आरती की तैयारी करो भैया. Oh भैया, please आरती की तैयारी करो. So what kind of Panch Tattva I have in my body? This all Panch Tattva will be mixed up in the Panch Tattva. So what happened with that? I will serve to the Govinda. Have you got to know? Do you know? So my body's dust will be mixed up in the Nand Maharaj courtyard. That's where Krishna will walk on the courtyard of Nand Maharaj. So when they will walk on that, so I will touch her feet, feel her feet is touching on my body. So my body's air will be mixed up in the bodies. My body's air will be mixed up in the air. So that when Sakha, when they used to walk on the fan, handmade fan. So when they flow, so the air will come. So so I will touch the body of the Govind. Getting? So whatever the body, water in my body is Yamuna Ji. Okay, so that water will be mixed up into the water of Pavan Sarovar. When Krishna will take what there, so I will touch the bodies of Krishna. Aha, hey Krishna. And so what is the fire inside my body? Mix up into the rays of the sun. When he will see his face on the mirror, so what it will be reflected. Miti Jal Agni Vayu Akash, the sky. So wherever Krishna is staying, so my body's sky will be mixed up in that sky. So what happened when Krishna will be very everywhere? So I will be like a chhatra on his head. So after died, so she has a strong desire, deep desire for serving Krishna. This is called the love, beautiful love. So that's why she is saying that everybody will be, mixed up in the service of Krishna. And then she fainted upon. Then again she is saying, Radhaji got fainted, and after some time, then she gets Chetana, she alive, and she is saying, hey Sakhi, Radhaji is saying to Sakhi, I do one thing. So take my dead body to at the bank of Yamuna.
क्या करोगे?
what you do, what you will do?
जमुना के तट पर लेकर गोविंद के चरण रज जहाँ
At the bank of Yamuna, where is the dust, feet of dust of Govind. So put that dust on my body, on my head,
और तदुपरि कृष्ण नाम लिख देना
and put the name of Manjari. Manjari. Put the dust of the Krishna's feet on my body and put some Manjari. When the pad, the people who used to sing like the kirtan, so whenever they sing, you will hear that and you will cry. This is the kirtan of Chandidas. Aha. Chandidas, Basu Ghosh, very very nice kirtaniyas, Mahapurush. They know the Mahabhava of Mahaprabhu and they want kirtan accordingly. Many Padkarta at the time of Mahaprabhu. There were many Vaishnava Kavis, and before the Mahaprabhu, poet. You are not getting? You are tired? It looks like you are tired. Mahaprabhu's yoga was divided into 3 yogas. First is Prakta Chaitanya Yoga, Chaitanya Yoga and Chaitanya Parvati Yoga. Very nice. When before the Mahaprabhu, there were many kinds of Vaishnava who had come, just like Vidyapati Chandidas, Jayadev, Advaitacharya ji bhi to the. Advaitacharya ji. These all are Mahan Pandit. They were describing about the Mahaprabhu's bhav, of the separation of Mahaprabhu had written. This is called Prakta Chaitanya before the Mahaprabhu. This is called Prakta Chaitanya Yuga, which is before Mahaprabhu. Many Mahan poets, great poets came, who are called, who has manifested the beautifulness of literature. So we used to read that at the time, but we were not able to understand that time. What I am saying? 3 yoga. Prakta Chaitanya Yoga or Chaitanya Parvati Yoga. Prapta Chaitanya, Prakta. When before the Mahaprabhu, many great poets came, Rasik Kavi were. Just like told you, Rai Ramananda. Before meeting the Mahaprabhu, he was written so many beautiful Ganas, Kalyati 9. Yes, I told you, Kalyati 9. So he has written this before the meeting Mahaprabhu. Sarma Bhattacharya was saying yesterday. I was telling. I was saying the Rai Ramananda is saying is useless. No. So when Sarma Bhattacharya, when he go to our assembly, so he was just thinking, he just only wherever he started, always started the introduction of gopis. Then how Krishna did the Ras Vilas and the gopis, every time he was just saying like this. Every time he was saying like this. This is Rai Ramananda. So Sarma Bhattacharya is saying this thing. But at the time, Rai Ramananda's feelings was nobody was unstable. He was just like a CR. He was just like a CR and saying like whoa babu wow. We were doing like a fox. An assembly of Rai Ramananda was not an ordinary person. He was quoting the shloka. He was explaining his bhav so much nicely. He is a Pandit, great Pandit. He was a great Pandit of Sanskrit. So wherever they get a little bit, one letter, then he can explain all the Vyakarans. Grammatically will explain that. Kevalaki Prayojanam. Kevalaki Prayojanam. Kevla Bhakti, Prema, केवल भक्ति एकमात्र प्रयोजन, वन एंड ओनली द प्रयोजन, प्रेम प्रयोजन, केवल भक्ति प्रयोजन।
और अद्वैतवादी
अनद्वैतवादी
केवल
केवल केवल अद्वैत, जस्ट वन एंड ओनली अद्वैत, ओनली ब्रह्मा, द्वितीय नास्ति, एको ब्रह्मा द्वितीय नास्ति,
अद्वैत सिद्धि में चले जाते
and they will go to Advaita Siddhi.
हैं। जो अद्वैतवादी लोग होते हैं ना,
Who is Advaitvadi?
भागवत को ही श्लोक है।
So this is the same slok, but he is quoting in a different way.
बस उसमें ही रम जाते हैं। बस ब्रह्म